Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be building a trellis for our brand new grapevine.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many.
So it looks like that's about as far as we're getting. About 2.5 feet. We're gonna put some cement in the bottom, that should help anchor it, and fill the rest up with the gravel that came out of there. Move on to the next one. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this.
This is the hole I just finished. Well, it's hard to see, but there's these massive rocks that they're huge. So I had to kind of go around them. There you go. And that's where the post is gonna go. But this hole is pretty good. So it's gonna look like that.
Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give today.
Now we're gonna go mix cement, and then we're gonna wait until tomorrow to finish the trellis and add the wiring and the connectors and all that fun stuff. Let's make cement. It's the next day and we're out here hoping to get this grapevine trellis finished. We had a little bit of rain this morning, but it's pretty much dried up now, so we're gonna get things going. I came out this morning and planted some beans. So we have just about 3/4 of a row of beans planted. I just need to get more in to finish off the row. It was just starting to get pretty wet out, and I got a little wet, but that's okay, it's worth it. So now we're gonna get working on the trellis. It's looking good so far, and the cement is definitely gonna hold it in place for the strong Newfoundland winds that we have here. Our property, it's actually not too bad where I'm currently standing whenever we have high winds, partially because of this like crazy bush that's going on next door, blocks a lot of the really harsh western winds that we get here. But we do get some pretty strong winds coming off the south, which would be this way where the water is. And for now, a lot of that's mostly blocked. But, you know, whenever we get these trees taken down, it's definitely going to be a lot windier here. So we want to make sure that when we're getting a good amount of grapes growing off this vine, that this trellis is going to hold up against those strong winds. And I'm pretty confident we're doing a good job. First hole.
Down by the sea, at the edge of the water,
Getting out everything we need.
kiss my
So we have our trellis posts cemented in 2 feet down. There's 6 feet above the ground, 10 feet apart. So we do have a stringer board across the top to keep them more sturdy. We are going to run 4 cables across here, and this is going to trellis our grapevine that we purchased. So let's get this cable across and plant the grape.
I don't know for how long I can carry on, pretending that everything's alright, and that it will be fine in the end.
Well, we all make mistakes. Let us know in the comments if you caught this mistake.
Change is constant, learning to flow.
Doing it right, second time around.
May look different from what you've dreamed. Colors and contrast making it art. What if happy can be built? Tuning into all that's good. Lucky I learned what lemons can do. Lucky they let me here with you. Lucky.
Now comes the fun part, digging more holes. So the label that came with the grapevine suggested we dig the hole about 2 feet, and that's great, except we have like literally 2 feet of rock here. So it's really tough. We're just trying to get through these rocks, and once we hit that point, then we're gonna add in some Pro Mix and get the grape in the ground. But I'll show you what I'm talking about with these rocks. That's good. I'm tired. I kept digging and digging, and we reached some clay apparently. But the hole is ready to be filled with Pro Mix. And it's like summer, and I have 2 sweaters on because I think it's only like 10 degrees. But it's warming up. It's just a cool, rainy day. Okay, Pro Mix. Here it comes. Definitely ready. Oh, there's a huge ant. It scared me. Our grapevine is in. This is pretty exciting. Our first grapevine. The holes were pretty hard to dig with the amount of rock that we had to go through, but it was well worth it. We're not expecting any grapes from them this year, but it's a process of just growing your own food, and one more thing that keeps you out of the grocery store. So here it is. She's happy now. As you can see, the spider mites did quite a bit of damage, so I don't know, I might actually just prune off the tips of these leaves. But overall, the plant is extremely healthy. Just to help the plant up, I just put on these ties extremely loose. And yeah, this is how it looks. So the trellis turned out pretty awesome. Mark had an awesome idea for this. So yeah, now the vine can grow happily, and we will be eating happily. Anyway, that's our grapevine. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more of our content of being more self-sufficient and building our homestead here in Newfoundland. Thanks for watching. Bye!